Hey friends, if you wish to open Excel workbook files, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's the thing. Either you're opening Excel from the ab initio or you're already on a page. So, to open Excel, simply search for Excel and open Excel. Okay, and then all older files will appear here. But if you want to open a specific file, go to open, and then you can open it from locations like the recent location, or you can browse from a certain path or other options. So let us say that I can browse and then I can open it this way. Okay, now in this case it is picking up from the cloud, so it will need time. But this is how we open files, and we can also open recent files. Okay, like this one. Okay, so this is how we can open files on Excel. But if you're already on a file, then how would we open a new file? So for this, click on File, click on Open, and then you can go to another file. This is how you can open any file when you're already on a file. File, Open, and then you can go to that file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.